Good morning. Alan Nuckman from Option Shop with your morning market stir for Monday, March 18th. Well, the winning streak in stocks came to an end on Friday. We were down a little bit to close the day, down 2.5 points at 1553.5 in the E-Mini S&P. Still finished up 0.6% for the week. The Dow streak came to an end after 10 sessions, down 19 points on Friday, 14,433. Finished up 0.8% on the week to lead the stock indexes on the 5-day basis. The Nasdaq was down 10 points Friday, 2790, up 0.15% for the week. The dollar index drifted lower, down 39, 82.46, as the euro did have a bounce up 55 points at 130.54. The weekly gain on the euro currency was 65 points. Bond futures closed up 18 Friday, 141.28. Crude oil drifted higher, up about 50 cents at 92.82, just below the 93.82, just below the $94 a barrel level, and had a gain of $1.50 on a weekly basis. Gold continued to hold its gains. It was up 2 points at $15.93 on Friday. It was up $16 for the week, and interestingly enough, it had a $10 range on Friday, so it's consolidating, looking like it wants to see a breakout. So after the positive action in the stock markets last week, where do things stand on this Monday morning to begin a new trading week? Well, big news out of Europe has driven these markets lower overnight. So right now we're looking at the E-Mini S&P down 14 points at 1539.5. The low is 1529, so we are 10 points off those lows. Some key support to keep an eye on is 1525 from March 4th was a breakout area. Dow futures right now are down 90 after being down almost 200 points. We're at 14,345, so we've seen some recovery overnight as this Euro news out of Cyprus continues to filter out. The Nasdaq right now is down 28 at 2762.5. The dollar index is up 35 at 82.82, but again has backed off that extreme bounce that we had overnight. Looking at the euro currency, we're down 101 at 129.61. The low is 128.83, so we're nearly 100 points off those overnight lows. Bonds have also responded here. We're up 1 full point and 10 ticks at 143.06 as we're seeing a little bit of safety buying in the treasuries. Crude oil's off $1 at 92.72, and gold is gaining from this instability, up $9 at 16.02. Looking at gold, 16.05 was a near-term target for the $20 range we traded in in the week before last, and so we'll look to see how the markets react when we get to 16.05. So to wrap up the action, continued weakness across the board in all asset classes because of the euro concerns overnight. We're sitting down 14 at 1539 in the E-Mini S&P and down 90 points in the Dow futures at 14,345. I'll see you early Tuesday morning for the stir in the markets to set up your trading day. For Option Shop here at the CME Group, it all comes back to commodities.